bathroom and I have
It
medical
doesn't matter.
issues. If I'm an hour, there's 2 bathrooms. I know my rights. If I was buying something, that's allowed. You just said I could order food.
On April 2nd, 2025, officers with the West Palm Beach Police Department were called to a restaurant after a woman locked herself inside the bathroom. She had been in there for more than an hour, refusing to come out, refusing to explain why, and refusing to leave once she finally did. By the time this call was over, one bathroom dispute had turned into 2 separate criminal charges. And the second charge only happened because she made a choice nobody was asking her to make. In Florida, staying inside a business after you've been told to leave isn't just a disagreement. It's a crime. It's called trespass in a structure under Florida Statute 810.08. Once a business lawfully tells someone to go and that person refuses, the criminal clock starts running immediately. She tells officers more than once that she knows her rights. On private property, that phrase does almost nothing for her. A restaurant can end an invitation to anyone, for any reason, at any time. There's no legal exception for I was going to buy something.
Hello.
Hi.
How you guys doing?
Just waiting for the bathroom. Have been open for more than an hour. Not sure what's going on.
Okay.
You guys knocked, then no answer.
Yeah, she's answering, but she just wouldn't open the door.
Do you have a key?
I don't. That's not different.
You guys don't have a key? All right.
Yeah, I found a lady in the men's room, like 6. She was on the floor. I'm not sure if she's dropped. So I'm not sure if she's the same one.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We'll try to make contact.
West Palm Beach Police, open up. This is West Palm Beach Police, you gotta open the door.
It's not public, it's private. You've been there in an hour. They need you to leave. It is a private business. They want you to leave. If you do not leave, you will go to jail.
And this is your last warning. Come out, open the door.
You're refusing to leave. That is what you're doing wrong. It's called trespassing. You're trespassing on private property.
If you have medical problems, we're gonna get you medic.
10-4, that's one.
We are still waiting outside for you.
Trespassing is a crime. You need the medics? You gonna go to the hospital? Okay, then you need to leave. You've been in there for an hour. You could have taken care of it already. You need to leave.
No, I do not.
Let's go, come on, leave.
I don't need to leave.
You wanna go in handcuffs?
What?
Let's go. We're gonna tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're gonna go in handcuffs. Let's go.
I'm going where?
To jail.
To jail.
I'm going to
For
school.
trespassing.
For trespassing. Grab your stuff and leave.
Private property.
Private property.
At the leave now.
How am I trespassing? I know my
You are
rights.
being told to leave
I'm
a
using
private
the bathroom.
business.
Okay. I hear you. I understand you. I am leaving in 2 minutes.
Listen,
No.
I'm gonna give you a last warning. If you don't leave, you're going in handcuffs.
All right, let's go. I'm leaving.
Do not come back on this property. You're trespassed.
How? How am I
Let's go.
trespassed?
Step
They don't
out.
want you back on this property.
Step out.
Leave the property. Or you
Step
go to
out.
jail.
Step out of the property or you're going in handcuffs. Ma'am, did you hear what I said?
Look, off the property.
Off the
That means
property.
Out of the parking lot.
Out of
off
the parking lot.
sidewalk. If you come back onto this property, sidewalk or parking lot, you go to jail.
Motherfucker, bro, you are ridiculous. I was using the bathroom and I had
It
medical
doesn't matter.
issues.
Other people need to use the
I
bathroom.
know my rights.
You have no rights on private property. If they don't want you there, you have
This
to
is
leave.
not private property.
Yes, it is.
This is a public restaurant.
It is a private entity.
You know what? You know what?
This is your last chance. Leave or you go to jail.
I'm off the property.
No, you're not. You're still in their parking
And you
lot.
guys want her to leave, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it smells inside.
Still in the parking lot.
Okay. All right. And who's the manager? You're the manager. Okay. And you want her to leave the
You're gonna
property.
get hit by a car.
Okay.
I mean, it's good for her to use the bathroom, but it's not staying for that bathroom.
Okay. As of right now, do you want her to leave the property?
Okay. Ma'am, this is the manager. She's asking you to leave. All right? As of right now, you need to leave the property. I'm going to tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're going to go in handcuffs. Ma'am, leave the
Goodbye.
property.
Thank you so much for letting me handle my medical issues. What is your name?
Officer.
And
Yep.
thank you for not helping me.
Okay.
You do not know
We
how
offered you
to-
the medics. If you want to go to the hospital, we'll call the medics for you.
I don't need the medics.
Okay, well then you need to leave the
I
property.
was handling my issues.
For an
I'm
hour.
going to school.
You need to leave.
Doesn't matter how long it takes. If I'm an hour, there's 2 bathrooms. Motherfuckers can
They don't
use
have to
both
let
of
you
them.
use it
Why?
because it's a private entity.
Okay, and if I was buying something, that's
They can deny
allowed.
you service.
So can I get my food
No.
No. At this time, they
that
don't
I
want your
paid
service.
for?
Nope. They don't want you
They don't
back on
want
their
your
property
service.
for a year. If
You
you
leave.
come back, you go to
You
jail.
don't even know my name.
We don't need to know your name. If you come back, you're going
You
to
don't know
jail.
my name.
We know your
I
face.
know
It's
my
recorded.
property. I know my rights, and y'all are fucking ridiculous, and I'm going to report you
All right.
right now.
Did they sell her food?
I didn't allow her. So did you guys allow her? I'm saying, did you guys allow her? Because you guys didn't come in.
She's saying
She
no.
said she's talking with a cop about this situation, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
I just got food. What are you doing?
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
What are you doing? She just
You're
said
under
I could
arrest.
order food. What are you doing? You just said I could order food. She just said I could order food.
You're under arrest.
Really?
No, just arrest her.
Wait. I know my rights.
Officers don't rush this. They offer medics twice. They give warning after warning. They wait. She keeps negotiating anyway. A medical issue, a phone call, more time in the bathroom. She was already asked to leave. None of it changes the legal question in front of her. Leave or be arrested. Eventually, she walks out. For a moment, it looks like the story is over. It isn't. Minutes later, she's back on the same property she was just told never to return to. She orders food, insisting an employee gave her the okay. Officers had already told her the opposite, in plain language. That single decision, walking back onto a property she was banned from, is what turns a warning into an arrest.
Wait.
Don't fight.
Wait.
You fight, you're gonna get hurt.
Wait.
I'm telling you. Put your hands together.
Girl, did you not just say I could order food? Did you not just
Hold
say
on.
I could order food?
You told me you're talking
God,
that
she's
cop
been
with
detained
that
right now, it's
situation. You just told me that.
I was on the phone with them and I asked you if I could order food. Now I have to call them again.
Relax, relax, relax.
Can I please just,
Relax.
can you please stop?
We're not
you're under
stopping.
arrest.
Can you please
Right
stop?
now,
No,
right
you're under
now.
For what?
Right now,
Trespassing.
relax.
For what? For
Trespassing.
what? For what? You just said I could order food.
You went to the bathroom and I told you, they just told you to leave and then you say you were talking to them.
Let's go.
Please, can
Let's
I
go.
get my food? That's my phone.
Your phone's right here.
Your phone, we got your phone.
Bro, what the f? You just said I could order food. Bro, what the f? What the f, dude?
Relax,
Can I
relax,
please make a phone call?
Relax,
I was just
relax right
talking
now.
to your manager.
relax right now.
I was just on the phone with the company. Let me make a phone call.
Hey, can you relax?
No, I can't. She just said I could order food.
We told you weren't allowed back on the property.
And she said that it was okay. She just said it was okay. I don't understand. Just let me get something to drink. I have a medical issue.
Simple. Well, then we'll get you medically cleared before you go to jail.
Please.
What's your medical issue?
I need to make a phone call. I have intussusception. Please. Please.
Do not fight it. You're not getting away with this. Do not fight it.
Please.
You're gonna get more charges. We told you we'll give you several chances.
Please. Can I please just get my drink? Please. Can you please just go get my drink? I need to make a phone call. I was just on the phone with your company. This doesn't make sense. She said I was able to order food.
Well, we told you already not to come back.
And then I asked her, I said I
that
lost my
way.
mail in the bathroom. Can she come out and talk to you?
Oh, she already told us.
I need to make a phone call. I need to make a phone call. Please, officer, please. Please, please, I will not resist. Can you please just let me
Just
make
relax.
a phone
Just
call?
relax. Just
I've
relax for
done
now.
nothing wrong.
Can you relax for now so I can take this off?
I've done nothing wrong. I know my rights. You are f***ing violating me of my rights. You're violating me. You're violating me and my rights.
Stop clenching.
You are violating me and my rights, sir.
Turn around.
Ugh.
I'm reaching for it.
You are violating me and my rights. I'm trying to get my nail that just broke off. I don't need to be going to jail over going to the f***ing bathroom. I need to make a phone call.
Listen, you need to stop. You need to stop,
Tell
okay?
the lady to come out here, please. I already reported you guys.
Yeah, you did. And that's good. That doesn't mean that you could have come back. Let's put her in the car.
I need my
She might have
drink.
more on her. That's why
I
I
need my
called.
drink. Can please one of you get my drink?
No.
Please.
Stop. What you're doing right now is not helping.
What you're doing is illegal. Don't take her off. Do not take my grandmother off for going to the bathroom. Please. No. No.
All right.
No. You just broke off all of my nails.
Letter B.
All right, stand up. Get in the car.
Officers move in to detain her. She pulls away from the cuffs, twists against the hold, and shifts the complaint from her rights to a broken nail. None of it stops the arrest. It just adds a second charge on top of the first. She was charged with trespassing and resisting an officer without violence, 2 separate misdemeanors, each carrying up to a year in jail. Resisting an officer without violence doesn't require a punch or a shove. Pulling away and ignoring lawful commands is enough. That's Florida Statute 84302. The officers get a B+. They gave repeated warnings, offered medical help twice, and never escalated until she forced their hand. Under Florida law, an officer only needs a lawful order and a refusal to comply to make a trespass arrest. They had both several times over. She gets a D. Every excuse got swapped for a new one, and the one decision that actually mattered, staying away, never landed. Knowing your rights only matters if you're invoking the right ones. She never found one that applied here. The lesson is simple. Once a business tells you to leave, the debate ends there. Walking back on doesn't reopen it, it just adds a second charge. If you want more real body cam footage with legal breakdowns like this one, subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. How would you have handled this differently? We'll see you in the next one.